Family influences in terms of my career and everything have been very important. So the way I grew up with my mum cooking, having lots of fresh produce and home cooked food, picking passion fruit straight off the back fence. My nonna's mushrooms. I started at Beaconhills in year 7. I was excited about going to school, I think, more than anything, and food tech was super important to me. Beaconhills really encouraged me to go after the things I wanted to go after. My brothers and I opened a restaurant. We just wanted to cook our own food our own way. The restaurant is completely seasonal. The menu can change up to 3 to 4 times a week based on the items that are coming into season. It's very important for us to grow all of the produce we serve because it gives us a higher level of respect for the vegetables that we serve at the restaurant. We won't take for granted one single piece or part of a vegetable. Sustainability for us is basically the building blocks of our menu. All of our dishes are based on a zero wastage approach, so we use the entire vegetable on the plate, or some of it gets pickled for the next season. If we have any excess vegetables that come from the farm, they get fermented or pickled, or gets moved back through compost and into chicken food. So we end up with a complete cycle of zero waste. It's one of the most important parts of our business. I also work with Beaconhills on a program to do with St Vincent de Paul, where we prepare a certain amount of pasta meals that we give out, and the lovely people at Beaconhills get in the van and go around to the local area and supply the disadvantaged with food. The advice that I'd give to someone who's still trying to find what they want to do is to explore the options that the school gives you. Just find what makes you happy and what you're passionate about and go after it regardless of anything else. Just go for it.